This is not the tidiest of transformations or kit bashing. If I start off with the rear end, the only thing I've done here to this particular coach is to bring the buffer beam out so it's more prominent and put some red paint onto it. Swinging down the side, not much change, apart from very recently, in the last stages of doing things to it, I've got some glue on my fingers and I've put some finger marks onto it. What I did do was I picked out this a little bit to represent the black rubber seal you would get around these doors, with just a fine point felt tip pen. Makes the doors more visible. There is a battery operated Christmas light string inside there. And so the front end is where you can see all the changes now. So it's got representation of a DMU now at the front. At the back, the buffer beam's been brought out, so it's more prominent. I've reused one of the door handles there. Complete new window in the front and front end. Fabricated wiper and destination board. And then some figures inside. A driver made from some charity box figure, be recognizable to some people as some sort of character, not quite sure who that is. And then low-cost Chinese figures in there. They're not particularly well, there's some figures in it, which is better not having figures, and a bit of paint in between the seats, not carefully applied. So you can see there's a difference between the seats and the rest of the floor. But there it is as a loco. And as I say, it was a 6-wheel coach with the funny mechanism underneath, with an HLW motor block now installed. Certain of the pick up there. It runs well enough. Let me just bring it back. The wires. It is raining lightly, so that windscreen wiper needs to operate, doesn't it? And so there won't be much running of this this evening. I'm afraid it's going to have to go in and be dried off, and I'll have to attend to those awful fingerprint marks I've put onto it. It's in a state now where I'm happy to just play with it, and can at some stage tidy up some of the other bits if I so desire. But there we are, just an idea of what I've done with this coach to give myself a little rail bus.